fullback for a gain of 6 yards. They're in a 4-3. Handoff to the tailback. He stopped after a short gain. 3rd down. Augusta comes up to the ball. 3rd down and 1. Handoff to the tailback. He is tackled for a loss by number 22. Number 62. Tight formation. Incomplete pass. Tulsa comes out in a tight formation. Augusta's got 3 up on the line. Fumble. Recovered by the offense. Quick hands by the quarterback there. Great job. Hurricanes come to the ball in tight formation. Run to the outside, cuts it back inside. He's to the 38-yard line. Coastal in the I formation again. Delay a game. Hurricanes quick to the ball. Handoff. Breaks the tackle, breaks another tackle, taking the whole team with him. Tight formation. Hurricanes snap the ball. Excellent block. Hurricanes line up with 2 wide receivers split to the right. Quarterback in the shotgun. 14 in motion. Snap of the ball. He's looking. Just a little bit overthrown. No man's land here. Decide to go for it. 2 wide receivers split out to the right. Quarterback in the shotgun. Deep ball wide open. Touchdown, Hurricanes! I formation. The tank. Right through the line, walks in relatively untouched. Excellent blocking. We got a penalty after the play. Again with the onside kick. Recovered by the Augusta Eagles. Augusta lines up in the I formation.
Last series. I just lost.
Go 5 points. Defense again. Go 5 points. Defense again. Go 5.
The Eagles have had some success running the ball. Handoff to the tailback. shotgun. Looking to throw. Ball was tipped over the middle. Lined up in the I formation. Takes the handoff. Launches it. Almost intercepted, almost caught. It's on the 14-yard line. Two wide receivers split out to the right. Cam in the shotgun. Sends his receiver in motion. Quick handoff to the end around. Well played by the Eagles. Hurricanes come up to the ball in a tight formation. Coastal with all 8 players within 5 yards of the line of scrimmage. Tough throw into tight coverage. Hurricanes come out in a tight formation. Cam looking to throw. Doesn't see any opening. Breaks the pocket. 15, 20, 25. He cuts back inside. Hurdles the player. Gets all the way across midfield to the 38-yard line. One, two, there we go. Line up in the shotgun. Flanked by the 2 backs. The backs pick up the blitz. Throw complete. Third down and 2. Fake the handoff. Looking for an opening. Spins off a tackle. Close. Reaches for the... Up for a big 4th down and 1. Hurricanes up to the ball. Will not get it snapped before the end of the quarter. That's the end of the first quarter. Coastal Hurricanes been reset. 4th down and 1. Canes have the jumbo package in. Gus is lined up. Burst through the line. They can't bring him down. First down, Hurricanes. Split 2 wide receivers out to the right, 1 to the left. Seems like there's a minor ball issue. Two wide receivers to the right, 1 back in the backfield. From the shotgun, Cam takes the snap. Excellent play on defense. Great. Hurricanes substitute and put in the speed package. 4 wide receivers. Or takes the snap, tries to throw it over the middle. Flag on the play. Also in the speed package, 4 wide receivers. Bauer drops back, throws. A leaping grab for the touchdown. Great throw by Bauer. Caught the Eagles completely off Augusta lines up in the I formation. Handoff to the fullback. Tackled quickly, but had a little momentum. Gains. Also lines up in a tight formation. Augusta. Toss play to the left-hand side. Spread formation, 3 wide receivers. Quarterback in the shotgun. Coastal lines up, comes after the quarterback, breaks through the line. Screen play over the middle. He's weaving, dodging, got a lot of speed. Excellent pursuit from inside the 10. Tight formation, handoff to the tailback, tackled in the backfield, no gain on the play. The Eagles break the huddle. Again, I formation, tight formation. Fumble on the play. Fumble and flag on the play. Looks like Coastal was up. I formation. Toss play. King stringing out, turning back inside, but he was able to make a cut, put his foot in the ground, and get a touchdown. Flag after the play. Tight formation.
Hold him, defense!
Handoff to the fullback, and he squeaks through the line for the 2-point conversion. Kickoff goes 20 yards. Breaks to the outside. Incredible speed. No flags on the play. It is going to be a touchdown, Hurricanes. Jumbo package in. Handoff to the ball. He walks into the end zone. 2-point conversion is good. Hurricanes kickoff. Almost recovered by the Hurricanes. Hurricanes with a single high safety. Fakes the handoff. Throws complete in the flat to the back. Fighting for extra yards. Coastal going to go in the half. Augusta splits a wide receiver way out to the left. Another down to the right. Shotgun, handoff to the short back. Coastal strings it out in an excellent tackle. 7 from the 45-yard line. Eagles line up with 2 wide receivers split out. Quarterback in the shotgun. Back switches sides. Quarterback sneak. Quarterback keeper all the way. Eagles line up in an I formation. Hurricanes caught in the line. Handoff to the up back. He sneaks through there. First down, Eagles. 2 wide receivers split out. Short back in the backfield. Plays blown dead before the snap. Blown dead before the 50. 2 wide receivers split out. Quarterback in the shotgun. Short back. Fumble. Excellent sack by the defense. Sack fumble. The ball was recovered by the Eagles. Coastal crowd in the line. Ball snapped, handoff to the halfback. Sneaking through some tackles. He breaks through the line. Oh, the turf monster got him on the way. Ball snap. Hurricanes through the line. Sack. Eagles split out 3 wide receivers. 1 back in the backfield, quarterback in the shotgun. Coastal playing tight coverage. Picked off. Intercepted. Puts back on the return. There's a flag on the return. an impressive display of speed. He gets to the corner, and he is gone. Touchdown, Hurricanes! Hurricanes hand the ball off. Fighting through. No good. The Eagles brought him down just short of the goal line. Oh. Good kick taken on the fly by number 5. Brought down at the 45-yard line. Again. Hand the ball off to the up back. He breaks through the line for a 16-yard gain. 3 wide receiver set. Quarterback looking, in trouble, rolling out, throws, caught by number 19. A tight formation. Hand off to the up back, slips a tackle, slips another, fighting for extra yards. Close, he got in. Touchdown, Eagles. Close lined up in the I formation. Ball hands off to the up back, and he squeaks through for the 2-point conversion. Kickoff recovered by the Hurricanes. Breaks 3 tackles, breaks another tackle. All the way down to the... There's a snap. Little juggle on the snap. Great toss and catch. 41-yard line. Hurricanes line up with 1 wide receiver, 2 backs in the backfield. Again, a little juggle on the snap. Ball's thrown. Caught. Touchdown, Hurricanes. Tight formation. Jumbo packages in. That ball's handed off. Fumble. Recovered by the Eagles. In your life. Eagles kick the ball off. A low ball on the ground, popped up in the air by the Eagles. Taken out of bounds. Lines up in the I formation. Hand off to the tailback. He breaks the tackle. He breaks through the line. Great run on first down. Hurricanes have their safeties deep, making sure nothing gets behind them. Ball's in the air. Quarterback drops back to pass, rolling out. Throws late. Caught by the Eagles. 1st and 10 from the 11-yard line. Eagles in the I formation. Posted up close to the line of scrimmage. Hand off to the up back. He squeaks through. And he's going to be just kick. Onside kick. It kicks up in the air. Ball bounces around. Caught by the Hurricanes. Great hands. The second half in the I formation. Bauer back at quarterback. Takes the handoff. Throws. Just off his his hands in the I formation. Takes a handoff again, looking, throwing over the middle, wide open, touchdown, Hurricanes! Hurricanes in the I formation. Takes a handoff, looking over the middle, rolling out to the right. He tucks the ball. Turns on the Jets. 2-point conversion is good. Substitution on the kickoff. Delay game on the kicking team.
We want our victory. Go get 'em.
A little bit of an issue. Lined up for the kick. Skitter along the ground. Picked up by the Eagles on the 30-yard line. Cuts right to the 35 to the 40. Tackled down at the 46-yard line. Formation. Handoff to the up back. Brought down quickly. Eagles in the I formation. Handoff. Fakes the handoff. Rolling. Looking. He's under pressure.
Go get him.
Throws the ball. Incomplete. Flag on the play. On the 35-yard line. 1st and 10. Eagles send 2 wide receivers out. Quarterback in the short shotgun. Takes a snap, looking to throw. Ball over the middle. Caught, tackled immediately. It was on a major yard line too. I don't know why I didn't just look down. 1st and 20 Eagles. From the 47-yard line. Eagles in a tight formation. Toss to the halfback. Cuts around the outside. Gets back. Ball is snapped. Fakes the hand up. Eagles in the I formation. Little bobble on the snap. Quarterback takes it. Pushes ahead for 3 yards. Spread formation. 3 wide receivers. Quarterback in the backfield. Quarterback under pressure. Tucks the ball. Looking. Rolling. Looking. Knocked down by Riley. Great play on D7. I formation. Timeout Eagles. I formation. Trying to put a drive together here. Ball's marked ready for play. False start on the Eagles. Ball on the 36-yard line of the Hurricanes. Quarterback drops back to pass under pressure. Late throw over the middle. Breaking left and right. Trying to fight through tackles. Brought down 2 yards. Go to a 3 wide receiver set. Quarterback in the shotgun. Coastal playing a little tight. Ball's in the air. Flag on the play. We'll see what the call is.
Stop the play.
I formation. Hands the ball off to the up back. 0-4 has been tough to stop. Ball's ready to play. The onside kick, he gets the big second hop. Caught by the Hurricanes, spinning, tackled by all 8 players. With 2 wide receivers, 2 backs, shotgun formation. With the reverse, turns on the Jets, headed down the sidelines. He's not going to be caught. No flags on the play. Touchdown, Hurricanes. In the I formation, jumbo package using. Hands the ball off. Okay. Short kickoff. Recovered. There's a pile up. Short kickoff recovered by the Hurricanes. Come out in the spread formation, 3 wide receivers. Quarterback in the shotgun. Fake to the long pass, wide open. Oh, just got caught right at the end. Flag on the play. Hurricanes split Antoine out wide to the left. Hand off. From the 5-yard line. I formation. False start by the Hurricanes from the 10-yard line. Quarterback keeper around the right side. Cuts it back inside. Touchdown, Hurricanes. Brower under center. The lightning packaging. Takes the handoff. Looking. Throws. Just out of reach of Antoine. He's hard to overthrow. Hurricanes in the I formation. Takes the handoff. Looking. Throws. Tipped in the air. Put in the speed package. 4 wide receivers. Brower in shotgun. Signaling to one of his receivers. Takes a snap. He's looking. He ducks underneath. Pulls the ball down. Running. Looking. Cannot escape the tackle. Eagles come out in the I formation. Hand the ball off to the up back.
Keep that Hurricanes.
0-4. Toss play to the back. He cuts through. He breaks free. Antoine with the speed from the back. Touchdown, Eagles. Lined up in the I formation. Hand off to the up back. He's hit in the backfield but breaks the tackle. 2-point conversion. Onside kick. Ball bounced up in the air. Touched by Coastal. Picked up by the Eagles. They cannot advance the football, but it will be the Eagles football at the 41-yard line. Eagles in the I formation. Hand off to the up back. Eagles line up in the I formation. Hand off to the up back. Coastal shoots the gap and brings them down. Eagles line up in the I formation. Quarterback under center. Hands off to the back. Met at the line of scrimmage. A 1 in the I formation. Quarterback under center.
Back it up, Terry.
Eagles line up in the I formation. 3rd and goal from the 12. Toss play to the back. Chase it down from behind. Eagles send 2 wide receivers. Quarterback takes a snap. Looking, throwing, incomplete. Bring in the jumbo package. Break the huddle in the I formation. Quarterback on the center. Hands off to the back. Ferguson with some shifty moves. Quarterback taking his time, using every second of the clock. Hand off to Ferguson. He bursts through the line for a I formation again. Brower watching the clock, snapping it in the last 5 seconds. Hand off to the back. He gets to the right side, jumping over would-be tacklers. Hurricanes in the I formation. Trouble on the snap. The Hurricanes recover the ball. Break the huddle. I formation. Quarterback rolls out looking. Breaks the pocket. Stays in bounds. Break the huddle. I said 1 wide receiver out. Quarterback in the shotgun. Low snap. Gets the ball up off the turf. Launches it downfield. Antoine is open. And he's in for a Hurricane touchdown. That's 15 yards. They're on the 7. First down and 10 Hurricanes. Second down and 11 Hurricanes. I formation. Brower waiting for the last possible second. Fakes the handoff, looks to throw. Excellent recovery. Ball on the 19-yard line. Handoff to the back. He tucks to the right. Brought down near the line of scrimmage. Jumbo set. Snaps the ball, fakes the handoff, looking to throw, throws at the last minute. Incomplete. Hurricanes with a late substitution on defense. Eagles come out in the I formation, fake the handoff to the up back, toss it to the halfback. He gets to the edge. First down, quarterback under center.
know, but you should hurt.
Little trouble on the snap. Quarterback keep. He gets to the edge. Gets out of bounds. After another Eagle first down. Eagles line up in the I formation. Trouble on the exchange. Quarterback picks it up. Gets to the edge. Cuts it back inside with a stiff arm. Touchdown Eagles. The Eagles like to go for two. Hand it off to 04. He ducks underneath and gets in for the 2-point conversion. They were having success on the last drive. Brower under center. Takes a snap, hands it off to the back. Ferguson ducks down underneath and then breaks to the outside. Rumbling, stumbling. Unbelievable. He's done it at the 1-yard line. What an amazing run by Ferguson. Brower under center. Snaps the ball, hands off to Ferguson. He pushes the pile. Flag on the play. On the clock. Snap the ball just in time, fakes the handoff, gets around to the edge, turns on the Jets, touchdown Hurricanes. Hurricanes in the jumbo package. Eagles have their goal line defense in. Flower snaps the ball, hands off to the back. Ball pops up in the air. Fumble. Recovered by the Hurricanes and advance for the 2-point conversion. Kicks the ball, a squibbler along the ground, popped up in the air, touched by the Eagles, picked up at the 40-yard line and brought down almost immediately at the 42-yard. Eagles line up in the I formation. They've had lots of success running the ball from this formation. Hand off to the up back. Pushing, fighting, clawing for 6-yard formation. Quarterback takes the snap, fakes the handoff to number 4, tosses to the back. He gets to the edge. He turns on the Jets. He's headed down the sidelines. No flags on the play. Touchdown Eagles. Spread formation, 3 wide receivers, quarterback in the shotgun. He looks over the defense. Quarterback run. He gets around to the outside, hits, but fights his way into the end zone. The 2-point conversion is good. Surprising kicks like a mid-distance kick picked up by Antoine, who just heads out of bounds. First down, Hurricane. Eagles come out in a tight formation. Hurricanes come out in a tight formation. Takes the snap, hands the ball off to the deep back. He's tackled immediately. Brower snaps the ball, fakes the handoff, rolls out, wide open, over the middle, walking in for the touchdown. Touchdown Hurricane. Jumbo formation. Eagles have their goal line defense in. Brower takes the snap, hands off to Ferguson, who Pulls his way into the end zone. 2-point conversion. A little trouble on the reception by the Eagles. Finally picked up. He heads up the middle. Met at the 34-yard line. Taken down at the 36. Eagles in the I formation. This personnel has been very successful for them. Flag on. Hands the ball off to the back. Caught from behind. 2 for the Eagles. Toss to the back. Seal block on the outside. Gets out of bounds to stop the clock. Hand off to number 4, who has had a monster night tonight. Hands off to the back. Slips the tackle. Still going, fighting. Tackle. To the ball. Back the ball, hand off to the running back. Hit, but powers his way in. Touchdown, Eagles. I formation. Quarterback takes a snap, hands off to the up back. Number 4 in for the 2-point conversion.